You know.
Who the fuck is Get Frog? Put some respect on my name.
I respect it.
Alright, we at Jiffy Lube. Oil change.
Yeah, the plug is coming out a little bit rough at the bottom.
The what?
The drain plug. The drain plug.
Alright. Windows down. Open this boy up. And time to clean up a little.
This whole vibe. If you black, we in sync. Bye, bye, bye. Yes, that's my side. Throw it up and I'ma put it down until I die.
Just like a movie scene right here. Look. Like, niggas looking at the camera. You got a camera, Cash?
Camera, nigga. What you got the camera for, bro? So what you got the camera for on, bro?
Throw it up and I'ma put it down until I die. Yeah, keep it going. Until I die. Until I die. Yeah. Until I die. Yeah. Luke, talk to him.
Watch this. Look. I'm JJ.
Oh, these niggas got some fish, too. Oh, look at this nigga. He got the seasoning and all that. I see you, big dumb. Shee. Alright, man. I don't know what the hell they doing over there, but we're gonna go find out right now. That was a great movie. Oh, shit. This nigga ran right to the camera.
Damn, bro.
You know.
Hey, I'm taking profile pictures.
Ah, shit.
You know, he had the Jack Rabbit. Call me the best dog.
Let me see your haircut. You just got a haircut yesterday, right?
Nah, like 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
And you been boxing for both those days, right?
Yeah.
Your shit still good. I'm just trying to see, you know what I'm saying? Make sure the paint, white, you know, paint, you know what I'm saying? Your shit still sharp as a motherfucker.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Thanks, yeah, I appreciate
You still
that.
crispy, dog?
Yeah, the presentation.
Alright, dog. Yeah. Alright, whenever you flip it, let me know, dog. See the other side. Them bitches finna be fired.
Yeah, buddy. What y'all making a real video?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me show y'all some of what's going on right now. That motherfucker, look at that. Oh yeah. Ooh, wee.
Yeah, you know how we do all that. You know
Those are my babies in the background. Yeah. On God, I'm extra unique. My whole aura scream talent. I've been listening to feel like Griselda and Marvin Winans just to make someone balance. I'm from the West, yeah. Half of my partners is savage, the other half made it out the mud, but the taste of sludge didn't alter their palate. Ooh, I'm a dog, I'm a beast, and your father figure. That little P365 was just fast start a pistol. She got a scorpion too, and her sting is just like a scorpion do. If a demon get gregarious, my little Harry don't do what accordions do. That means fold, I was told by the G's of old. Keep your lady close, make sure she can work a pole. But they wasn't referring to strippers, I'm still buffet with the Clippers. I done been blessed with a woman that brave it, but turn a freak on the liquor. She keep the devil on me like the cherubim. She make it glitter, hoes that we ain't sharing on my bush. Then you can ease it like a chariot. DK a legend, hey, we had to bury him more. Yeah, but that's how I be in the jungle. I grew up around wildlings and mongrels, ready to slump you, murky or jump, yeah. I rock the slides to be humble. I told my baby girl she gon' have more in her head than just product and bundle. They say I'm rapping with hunger. I tell them hell no, I'm eating. If you book me for a show and I can't bring my wife and my babies, I'm leaving. Big daddy energy speaking. I keep the enemy tweaking. I could go all on the track and they'll say I'm the hardest one breathing. I am a beacon for heathens. Me and my hood got cohesion. It told me keep a little 38 special that bless you when ain't no one sneezing. It's all fine, fine. If you black, we in sync. Bye, bye, bye. That's my side. Throw it up, I'ma put it down until I die. This whole vibe, yeah. If you black, we in sync. Bye, bye, bye. Yeah. That's my side. Throw it up and I'ma put it down until I die.
Oh God, I'm extra petite, but the hood call me fat. Fire on me like Shadrach and Meshach. I keep peace for the scrap. Throw up the wish, yeah. But let's just keep it a stat. I was raised in grand rapids while pops was inactive. My mama was forced to adapt. Ooh, she held it down. That's nothing new. I'm black in America. Raised in the slums, came up from crumbs. Now we cool with Erica. Ooh, yeah. I'm talking Badu. I don't know why you don't recognize with me until give and go just like a drive-through. School of hard knocks, only thing I applied to, and I gotta admit it, I ain't kidding, they glorious. I feel like did it, Toby, Big Ed, we in the tour. Rihanna ain't the only one that do it grande. Knew what PS fiance when he was broke on Causeway. And he ain't even hit his peak like Dante. And I ain't kill.
What that mean?
Dope can't never go Kanye.
This whole vibe.
Greatness is upon you. You better act like it.